I'm Dan Christensen. I'm an additive manufacturing engineer with Relativity Space. And since you asked, how are you addressing porosity and part quality in your 3D printing manufacturing methods? We're doing so many things to address this. So part quality and laser powder bed fusion comes down to controlling the process, the materials, and the printers themselves. There are dozens of variables that directly and indirectly affect part quality in our process. We perform calibrations and experiments to establish set points and control limits for all the critical parameters, such as laser power, focus, and alignment, and build kit chamber conditions, such as oxygen levels and gas flow speeds. Chemical composition is also key. This includes testing the powder when we receive a shipment, and also periodically sampling powder from our printers to ensure any potential contamination is caught before it can be made into a part. For the day-to-day operations, we've developed a robust process control plan for our team that specifies how to operate the printers. At the end of the day, there's also no substitute for good old-fashioned X-ray and non-destructive evaluation. We work closely with our materials and process team to do metallographic inspection and periodic part cut-ups. This enables repair or reprint before a defective part can reach the assembly phase and pose a risk to our test or flight engine operations.